Kill the speed limit for 1 minute. Messages jump instantly. Bets are settled before they're placed. Your phone pings from tomorrow. It feels powerful. Then everything collapses. Because the speed limit isn't a rule for traffic. It's the guardrail for reality. We call it the speed of light. That's misleading. Even if every photon vanished, the number c would remain. Why? Because c isn't about light. It's the fixed exchange rate between meters and seconds. The slope nothing can beat without snapping cause away from effect. It's how the universe keeps stories in order. Empty space isn't empty. It has rules, rigid like steel, quiet like vacuum. Nudge electricity here, magnetism answers there, and the ripple moves at one built-in tempo. That tempo is c. Einstein's move wasn't light is fast. It was make physics match for everyone, no matter who's moving. The only way this works is if there exists one invariant speed. That constant isn't chosen by light. It's chosen by spacetime. Put your life at a dot in spacetime. Now draw the light cone. The region your actions can reach without cheating. Inside the cone, possible. Outside, paradox. Try to send a message faster than c, and you don't just go fast. You leave the cone into a zone where effects can appear before causes for someone. That's not science fiction. That's logic tearing. Fine, we'll brute force it. That's where the war with mathematics begins. You buy speed with energy, but near c, the price inflates viciously. 0.9 c is expensive. 0.99 c is obscene. 0.999 c is financial gravity pulling your budget into a black hole. At c, the bill is infinite. Not big, infinite. Relativity isn't wagging a finger, it's showing you the receipt. But light slows in glass. Sure, in matter, light pauses to dance with atoms. The effective speed drops. But the message, the first nudge of influence, never outruns c. Headlines about faster than light pulses are party tricks with wave shapes. The courier obeys the guardrail. The parade can look weird. A speed limit sounds like a cage. It's the opposite. It's the architecture that gives us time. With finite speed, structure forms step by step. Stars, galaxies, minds. Your decisions ripple outward at a cost and with a delay, so history can have suspense. Computers can correct errors because signals don't mutate everywhere at once. Meaning survives because before and after are protected. Smart people aim sideways. Don't speed, move the road. Expanding space. Far galaxies recede faster than light because space stretches between you and them. No one's breaking c. The road is lengthening. Wormholes. Fold space-time. Connect two distant rooms. Tempting, but the math asks for negative energy to hold the throat open. We don't have that in a bottle. Warp bubbles. Compress space in front, expand behind. The ship surfs while locally obeying c. Gorgeous chalkboard. Brutal energy tab and control problems. Now, break the guardrail for real. Make c infinite. Fields update everywhere at once. No locality. Observers disagree on the order of events. No causality. The early universe either freezes in sameness or washes into chaos. There's no patient drumbeat for structure. Computing turns schizophrenic. Error correction and information theory lose their footing when signals teleport. You don't get superpowers, you lose coherence. Every time your GPS snaps to one street over, you're watching relativity pay rent. Satellite clocks tick differently, we correct them. Your map works. Undersea cables, microwave towers, deep space dishes. The entire nervous system of Earth is designed around c. We don't break the limit, we choreograph around it. So no, light isn't special because it's fast. It's special because it's massless, so it rides the one speed the universe allows. What's truly special is that the universe chose a speed at all, a single exchange rate that keeps cause before effect, builds structure, and lets a sentence like this one mean the same thing to both of us.